Hi, ma'am, and a very good afternoon to everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and doing great. Am I audible to all? Yes, ma'am. So, I guess our guest is here with us. Yeah, we are waiting up for them. So, let's start. A very good afternoon to all, and welcome to the another inspiring episode of Skill Ninja, where we share the inspiring stories of people, amazing people with us, whom want to impact the in the amazing future with us. So let's see if we are having our guest today, and I'm very thrilled to introduce the guest among us. Hello, hi,
Hi
ma'am.
everyone. Hi.
Yes, now
Hello.
your voice is clear. I
Thank
guess it was
God.
the issue from my side only. So,
Okay.
hi, you guys. I'm very excited to introduce our guest. Today, our guest is from Rajasthan. It's Ayana Sharma, an HR professional and an entrepreneur with us. So Ayana Sharma holds an
Hi
MBA
everyone.
in HR and international business and has an experience of 7 years in the HR industry. But that's not all. She's also the founder of Naira's Organic, a product of natural skincare and healthcare. So, ma'am, how are you feeling today on being on this
I am
podcast?
feeling great. And first of all, thank you so much everyone for giving me this opportunity to, explain myself about my business, about my journey, how I started
Yes,
and everything.
that's great. So let's start by talking about your business. So can you tell us what
Sure.
Naira's Organic is all about?
Naira's Organic is all about like making organic skincare and hair care products. And we believe in making products which give results only. Because whenever we talk about our skincare and hair care, I believe there should have a result.
Yes, ma'am.
So we
Exactly.
manufacture the products which give 100% result. Formulations हम लोग इस तरीके से बनाते हैं using our pure and organic ingredients along with advanced formulations so that people will get a result along with no side
That's
effects.
great. It's
Zero
just
side effects,
natural.
100% result. Yes.
That's great. That's
So
great. So,
this
ma'am,
is
when did
our
you
USP
started?
follow.
Yeah. So, ma'am, when did you started your business, and what initially came into your mind of starting your own brand?
We started in 2017 September after my daughter became 1 year. After that, we start our own company.
That's great. That's great. So, ma'am, I'm very curious to know that your brand name is so interesting, Naira's. It's just so unique. So, what came into your mind of keeping your brand name Naira's?
See, Naira is my daughter name,
That,
first of all.
that's so
And
great.
yeah, so she's an inspiration always. As you all know, that daughter is always an inspiration
Yes,
for a
ma'am,
mother.
exactly.
So she was.
And a good luck
So
charm
we
for
started,
everyone.
yes,
Yes,
and she is.
she is, yeah.
तो मैं मेरे बॉक्सेस भी इवन उसी से बनवाती हूँ आई टोल्ड हर कि जब आप बॉक्स बनाते हो तो आई गेट ऑर्डर फ्रॉम दैट सो
That's great.
या so the thing is that कि when I started हमारी कंपनी का नाम था पेंडोरा बॉक्स
Mm-hmm.
so we kept that name knowing this uh, कि Pandora box is a name where you will get every kind of a solution. It's like a Bhanumati ka pitara.
Okay.
So in which you will get a solution. So when we start, we wanted that people should get 100% result along with skincare and hair care along with other solutions like if they face any kind of personal issues, so we can solve that things also. Not the really personal issues, but yes, of course, any kind of a problem. Like if they want a job, or like because my career was into HR industry,
Yes,
so I
ma'am.
wanted to help in every way to the people. So that's the reason we kept that name. But when we grown up, after that we realized it कि अब हमें हमारे brand को register
Yes,
कराना होगा.
exactly.
Then we came to know that Pandora Box is a name which is used by a lot of other
Yes, ma'am,
people,
it is.
and actually we don't know कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. So we learned that also gradually. So I thought about it कि what should be the name of our company. Then I met, I mean, I had a word with a lot of people, and I had a word with one of my friends, Nishta.
Mm-hmm.
So she suggested me. She was an inspiration for me. Like I started my HR career also along with her. So she suggested me like you can take your daughter name as a brand
Yes,
name,
ma'am.
so that
It's such a unique
whenever,
name and beautiful.
yeah, the way you grown up your daughter, you have to, you know, you will grow your business also. So there would not be any reason like आप कभी छोड़ नहीं पाओगे. You cannot quit your
Exactly.
company if you start with her
Your
name.
daughter is an
So that
inspiration to
was,
you.
yes,
That's great,
yeah.
ma'am. So I just want to know that are your products applicable for both hair and skin? And what products do you have best for hair and skin?
Yes, our products are used by like for skin and hair both. We manufacture for both the problems, and it also can be used by the babies, by the men's, and it's a unisex product, so
Okay.
anyone can use it.
That's
Yeah.
great.
And also, our all the products can be used by babies also. I mean, they are like pH level, we kept at 5.5 to 6.5. So all the products can be used by the babies, except few products like our all-in-one cream, which is only meant for like 30 plus,
Okay.
and that has a 100% result for hyperpigmentation. That is one of our best seller products. Plus, we have a 24 karat gold serum. So this is also our one of the best products for hyperpigmentation.
That is great, ma'am. That is great.
So these are like products. And also we have one instant face wash powder that is again a best selling product for our skin. Even though कि इसका ऐसा product था कि इसकी तो हम लोगों ने packaging भी change की, मतलब because of the customer demand, we make this product कि हमारा बनता था और बनते के साथ तुरंत खत्म हो जाता था. But we
Wow.
prepared this. So customer demand पे we created the new packaging for them.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the products for skin, and for hair, of course, are the best seller product. This is a Banakado Thali hair pack.
Yes, ma'am.
So
I've seen
Banakado
its
Thali,
advertisement. Yes, ma'am. That's great.
yeah. So Banakado Thali hair pack is our hero product for hair,
Mm-hmm.
because hair fall की problem आजकल
Yes, ma'am.
सबको है,
बहुत है
and
आजकल.
this is the something which we are making fresh with fresh ingredients. और अभी तक I don't know कोई भी कंपनी है जो फ्रेश इंग्रेडिएंट से फ्रेश हेयर पैक बनाती है. वी आर मेकिंग द फ्रेश हेयर पैक एवरी वीक. वी प्रिपेयर इट.
That's
I
great.
know मेहनत लगती है, but we wanted to give always a solution product, so that's the reason ठीक है मेहनत लग रही है, लेकिन I want कि लोगों को रिजल्ट मिलना चाहिए.
Hmm.
So this is our hair care का best seller product, Banakado Thali hair pack, and this is a competitor of our own product,
Mm-hmm.
almond and rosemary hair conditioner. So you will get the same results, but
Okay.
it is only for the conditioning.
Okay,
So आपके
ma'am.
बाल silk soft होते हैं. So when you use it, you will see the difference. तो जिसके पास अगर टाइम नहीं होता बानाकाडो थाली हेयर पैक यूज करने के बाद से भी पीपल समटाइम फील की लेजी, हाँ लगाना में आलस आता है. So at that time, people can continue with the almond and rosemary
That's
hair
great.
conditioner. So these three, four products are our best sellers,
That's great, ma'am. That's great. So,
in which
what makes
we
your
have covered the
essential?
major problems
Sorry.
like hair and skin problems,
Yes, ma'am.
in which we have covered the major hair fall problem and hyperpigmentation problem. So both the problems we have covered it in
That's
this.
great. It's covered in that only. So, ma'am, next
Yeah.
question is that what essentials makes it different from other brands in the market? What makes Nara Organics different?
See, as I mentioned earlier also, like we wanted always to create a product जिसके results हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Because products a lot of people are making, and people, we find some people who wanted a result in just one use. But in one use, only chemical products
Yes,
can give the
exactly.
results, right? And organic products, it's very difficult.
Consistency
So
चाहिए
what we
इनकी.
consistency चाहिए. So what we did, we have formulated our combination of our recipe into that way, so that we use pure ingredients along with the advanced formulation, so that people will get a result with zero side effects. So this is something which we had done very different from other people, I believe. I don't know am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
right or not, but this is what which we follow, because मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर कोई स्किन केयर के प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहा है, they should get a result, of course.
Exactly.
भले ही मतलब टाइम लगे, लेकिन रिजल्ट तो मिलना ही चाहिए. ठीक है, ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट में थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है, बट ठीक है, it's fine.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
the people are getting result, that is what everyone wanted.
Exactly, it is, ma'am. So next, I want to ask that if when everyone comes into the business, everyone face every challenges in their life. So did you face any challenges while starting your business?
Yes, of course. I did face a lot of challenges initially.
Mm-hmm.
When I started, I didn't know about it कि कहाँ से शुरू करना है, कहाँ से नहीं करना है. Initially मुझे पता भी नहीं था exactly कि मुझे स्किन केयर ही का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है या नहीं करना है. But then I came to know about it कि uh, about it is something which is in my niche. When I was young and when I was a kid, I keep using homemade products. My mother used to make a face pack. I
Yes,
used
ma'am.
to make a hair packs and all at home. So that's the reason I thought about it that I should start this. And when I started, so every time I have to learn a lot.
Mm-hmm.
When I keep making reels, I keep making creatives so that I wanted every people should know about us.
Mm-hmm.
But I always wanted someone to, who can run ads. When I start looking at
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
लोगों का भी ad चलता है, and we also wanted that thing. But initially, when we talk with the people,
Mm-hmm.
they charge a lot, like digital
Yes,
marketing,
ma'am.
how it is. So it costs a lot, and we never have that much of capital to invest in our business because we always make things with our own business. जो भी हम लोग कमाते थे उसको
Yes.
इसी में लगाते जाते थे. So that's the reason. But finally, after 6 years,
Oh,
बात भी की
that's a
काफी
long
लोगों से,
time.
तो they people told us, हाँ, after 6 years, finally we got a person who started running ads within our budget,
Uh-huh.
and we also started getting orders on our website. So
That's
that is
great.
the biggest challenge. After 6 years, we start doing it. एंड लोग बोलते थे कि वेबसाइट पे सेल नहीं आती, आप Amazon और फ्लिपकार्ट पे ज्यादा इजी है करना बिकॉज पीपल नो द ब्रांड. बट आई वांटेड माय ब्रांड आल्सो शुड बी नोन बाय द पीपल.
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
फाइनली वी डिड इट. वेबसाइट पे अब काफी अच्छा ऑर्डर्स वगैरह
That's
आते हैं, बट
great.
स्टिल वी आर फेसिंग challenges on Amazon and Flipkart. So we request to the people like go to the Amazon and Flipkart as well and order our products and share your review so that we'll start getting orders from there also.
That's great.
So
Sure
so
do.
it's like vice versa. पहले मुझे मतलब Amazon और Flipkart से we wanted to get a sale, but वहाँ पे नहीं है. But then we get a sale on website. Now we want that also. So that is again a challenge. Also offline marketing में भी अभी हम लोग को थोड़ा challenge face करना पड़ रहा है.
Okay,
We are
ma'am.
in Bhilwara,
Okay.
Rajasthan. So we request to the people कि we have started keeping our Bana Kado Thali hair pack also on offline market on the shop.
Okay.
Kuber supermarket hai, Nibba Nibbi hai, and we are also looking for some more shops. So we look forward to the people of Bhilwara who gave me this wings to, with this Bana Kado Thali hair pack to explore the world, to help us and buy the products from that shop so
Yes,
that it will
ma'am.
be helpful for us and for them also.
Surely promote
Exactly.
it. Exactly.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, what has been your biggest achievement so far with Naira's Organic?
So the biggest achievement, if you say this is my office,
Okay.
it's like matlab, to making believe my parents that my company will, of course, it will grow. So
Mm-hmm.
they finally accept this thing and they made this small place. It's a
Okay.
my place for me. So this is something which is really make me proud of myself, and that's what that
That
is
is the
what. So
greatest
this is my
achievement,
biggest.
ma'am.
Yes,
It
this
should
is my
make you
greatest
feel
achievement.
proud.
Yes,
Exactly, it is.
yes, exactly.
That's great, ma'am. So, at last, ma'am, what would you like to advise to our viewers and our listeners who want to start their own business?
Okay, so if you want to start your own business, I would suggest keep doing it, keep learning it because there is no end of learning and doing
Exactly.
it. So you have to be consistent when you start your business. You will uh, face lot of issues. आपको ऐसे लोग भी मिलेंगे जो आपको pull back करेंगे. So at that time you have to be strong. उसको let go करके you have to go further. So that is what I would request to the people कि if you want to start your own business, then you should be confident, you should be patient, and you should be forgettable. जो
That
भी
is
हो
a
उसको भूल
great
जाओ.
advice.
And yeah.
That is truly
So
inspiring, ma'am. Really. Listening to your insights, listening to your incredible journey, it has really inspired our viewers, I know for sure, and it has really inspired me as well. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
thank you
And
so much.
also to
Thank
our,
you so much, Nitya, for
yes, ma'am.
taking me to this platform once again. I really feel great to be the
It's
part of
our
your
honor,
family
ma'am. It's
also.
our honor. That's great. And thank you
Yeah,
for all the listeners to listening to us. And before wrapping
you.
up, I just
Thank you.
everyone to know that there is a workshop, parenting workshop of Skill Ninja for an upcoming week. I want everyone to register yourself for there. It's all about growing relationships with your kids and teaching about the current approaches, all the parenting skills it will teach you there. So I want everyone to register as soon as possible over there. Thank you
That's
so
so
much.
nice. Even I wanted to register for
Great,
the
ma'am. You
same for
should
my
go for
kids.
it. It's an upcoming.
Definitely,
Great,
I'll do it.
great, ma'am. Thank you so much. You have inspired us a lot. Thank you, ma'am. Until next
Thank
time.
you. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Stay inspired,
And keep
everyone.
stopping from Naira's Organic
Yes.
Essentials.
Thank you, ma'am.